Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I have a big nail polish haul for you guys because as most of you know, I actually went on a holiday to Germany. I went to visit my longtime friend. We've been friends for like 18 years, ever since I was like 11 years old. And yeah, she actually immigrated to Germany, but life got in the way and I wasn't able to visit any earlier. So yeah, we finally had the chance to do so, and she actually suggested some really cool drugstores to me to buy some nail polishes from. So if you're curious to see what I got, please keep on watching. And of course, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would guys do so, and I'd love to welcome you to my little online nail family. But yeah, let's continue with all of the goodies that I got, because I also got some non-nail related stuff, or at least not nail polish stuff, such as a hand cream. I actually got 2 hand creams and a foot cream as well, but this first one is actually a hand cream that I got from TK Maxx. I really wanted to visit one in Germany. We also have a couple of them here in the Netherlands, but not really close to where I live. So to be honest, I've never visited a Dutch TK Maxx, but I knew that they had some really cool items there, and I actually did got my hands on some of the polishes that they had there as well. Then in a DM, which is like a drugstore, I also got some really nice other like creams. So I got a foot lotion or a foot cream and actually a hand cream as well. So this first one is a foot cream, and most of the products at DM are vegan. So for anyone who is into stuff like that, you can definitely try some of their products. But yeah, it's really inexpensive. I think the foot cream was like €3, if it even was €3, and the hand cream was even less expensive, like €2 or something like that. Then the other non-nail polish related stuff that I got were actually some toe spreaders, because I don't really have many of them, but I'm really into doing pedicures at the moment as well. So yeah, just wanted to get those for just €1 too, as well as these cute little bottles of glitter that I'll probably be using for nail art, or maybe even as some cute decoration or extra like stuff to put in my Instagram shots. But at the same place where I got those toe spreaders as well as the glitter was actually at Woolworth. I think it's called Woolworth. I'm not quite sure. We don't have a store like that here in the Netherlands. We have some similar like type of stores. But I actually also got some really cute glittery nail polishes that I'm showing you right here. They were really inexpensive as well. You can't go wrong with like a glittery polish. They were only €1.79, which is really inexpensive. And I just really love them. Like my husband saw them and he was like, you have to get those, just because he loves glitter as much as I do, or at least I think he loves that I love glitter that much. So he was kind of on the lookout for me to just see what kind of polishes were out there, like together with me. I have like the most supportive husband when it comes to nail art and nail polishes and stuff like that. He is so patient with me whenever I'm doing nail shopping or nail art supply shopping or anything like that. So yeah, that's actually really cute. And yeah, he was a big help when shopping for these items. But then, as I mentioned a little earlier in this video, at TK Maxx I actually also got some nail polishes. I didn't get that many, or at least in my opinion I didn't get that many. I think I got like let me think, like 12 polishes or something like that. But I did got some oily polishes, which are really expensive here in the Netherlands. It's insane. And I think I got these for like €5 each, while normally here in the Netherlands they are like 15 towards €17. So that was actually a pretty nice deal on those. TK Maxx is kind of like, or at least here where I live, they have nail polish and makeup collections that are a little bit older, as you will see in a little bit as well when I'm going to share my Essie polishes that I got there. They actually have some older collections which are kind of like leftovers, and they sell them for cheaper prices. So that is actually really nice if you got left out from one particular like brand or collection or anything like that. So yeah, that was pretty nice, and I actually got some really cool Essie polishes that I was dying to get my hands on, but actually failed on getting while it was out here in the Netherlands. So yeah, here I'm already showing you a couple of the China Glaze polishes that I got. I only got 3. There really weren't that many different ones to choose from, but at least I knew that I didn't have these 3 colors yet. Then here are the Essie polishes that I got. I think I got 5 in total from the Valentine's Day collection. I think this is the Valentine's Day collection from 2020, but I'm not quite sure. I think it is. If I remember like recalling the videos that I saw earlier this year about this collection, I think it was this year, but you know, time flies by so fast, it's insane. And I was just really happy to get my hands on these because once again, they were really inexpensive. Essie is usually about 10 towards 12 euros here in the Netherlands, and I think I actually got these for only 3 or 4 euros, which is really inexpensive. And a little later in this video, I'm actually going to share some other Essie polishes that I got. I think it was at a Rossmann drugstore and a couple of different DM drugstores as well. There were like 4 different DM drugstores while I was in Germany, or at least I was specifically in Mannheim. That is where my best friend actually lives with her boyfriend, and yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much about it because I missed her so much, and it was so awesome to actually visit where she lives. And yeah, I'm just really happy that my husband came up with the idea like, okay, we have 3 weeks off of work, we can go traveling to Thailand or Japan, what we love to do, so let's just go to Germany and visit your best friend. Like, yeah. But I'm already like blabbering on way too much. Let's get back to the polishes, because this polish I had my eye on for such a long time, and then I went into, I think it was a DM, and I got it for like 7 or 8 euros. Because once again, these are like 2 to 4 euros more expensive here in the Netherlands compared to Germany, so I got a bunch. There was also another, I don't know if it was like a limited edition, but it was like a new collection of Essie. They always like put those on top of the like Essie displays or shelves, and this one is quite shimmery, like really gorgeous, by the way. I'm not quite sure what the collection is called. I actually have to look that up, but I do think I'm going to do like a separate video, like a swatch review video of this specific collection. So if you want to see that or any other like nail polish that I'm sharing right here, or any collection that I got, do let me know in the comments down below if you want to see like a separate video on those, because I am planning to do some extra videos of the collections or polishes that I got. Maybe I won't do like a full collection video because sometimes I didn't get the entire collection, because you know, not every color always speaks to me, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm just willing to do some extra videos on these, or at least make nail polish of the week videos of them. But I already have a ton like pre-recorded, scheduled out, so I'm not quite sure when I will record those, schedule those in, and so on. But if you have any requests or specific collections or polishes that you would like to see a more in-depth video of, swatches and so on, just let me know in the comments down below, and I will try to remember myself to actually record it, write it down, plan it in, like schedule it in, and so on. But then another collection that I got, I don't think I got the full collection because once again, not all of the colors like spoke to me or caught my eye, you know. But I actually got these, I think it was at a Rossmann drugstore. It is from the brand Altera. I'm not quite sure how long it's been out there. I think it is a full-on German brand as well. I've never heard of it before, but it's like pretty vegan, like natural based stuff. I pretty much love it, and this entire collection is based upon like natural gems and crystals, which is something that I pretty much love. I'm actually thinking of starting my own crystal collection as well, because I do feel like there are some positive like how do you say that, like reactions if you work with crystals and stuff like that. And I think it can be really helpful in day-to-day life to just find some more peace, you know, because you can always just stress out about everything, but you do need some time for yourself to like de-stress and stuff like that. And I do think that natural crystals like amethysts, stuff like that, can really help out with that. But yeah, I really love these colors, especially the dark blue and this beautiful ruby color. It is gorgeous. And yeah, I'm pretty much thinking of doing a full-on swatch and review video of these polishes just in one specific video. So once again, if you would like to see that, let me know. Then this was, I think, also at Rossmann. I'm not quite sure because I've visited so many drugstores in one afternoon. It's insane. I think we were in Germany. I think we arrived Thursday, like late afternoon. We went shopping on a Friday afternoon, and then on Saturday we pretty much hung out with my best friend. And of course the evenings before that we also hung out with her. Hung out with her. So we kind of had like a tight schedule, and we already drove back to the Netherlands on a Sunday, so we were only there for like 2 full days. But yeah, I'm not quite sure where I got these, but they were quite inexpensive, and it is by the brand called Arrival Love Me, I think, Heart Me, I don't know. I got some really cute and cool like neon polishes that I just showed you right there. I'm not quite sure if they will be like super opaque or anything like that, but this other blue like multi-chrome polish is actually one that my husband just threw in my basket. Once again, he is such a big help when it comes to like looking for cool polishes that he thinks I don't own yet, and or he just pretty much thinks it's a cool color. He just throws it in my basket, and I didn't really have like a specific budget when we decided really impulsively to just travel to Germany. Always when I'm on a holiday, I don't really have like a maximum budget when it comes to nail polishes, because I just love nail polishes so much. I'm not big on shopping for clothes or shoes or anything like that, so nail polishes are pretty much my guilty pleasure that I just go all the way for or in. So yeah, I got a bunch of really gorgeous ones. I think that I got in total 54 bottles of polish. So yeah, that was quite a lot, but yeah, I pretty much love it. And here are some special effect toppers that I got also from that Rival Heart Me brand. I'm really not sure how to actually pronounce it or anything like that. Never heard of the brand before either, so I really don't know whether or not it are good polishes, like good quality polishes. But other than that, I also got an essence polish that I didn't have in my collection yet. This one is 55 Dusk Teal Dawn. It's just a very dark fall-like teal color, really beautiful. The perfect like dark fall bluish green tone. It's really pretty. And I got 2 of the new Catrice Cosmetics polishes as well, because these aren't out here in the Netherlands as we speak. Or at least now I'm recording this voiceover. I actually have to look up when I will be able to get the other new colors as well, because I think there are 9 in total and I already have 3 now, so 6 more to go, you know. Gotta collect them all. But yeah, I also got a bunch of the Trend It Up like little like bottles, I'd say. They're not your classic like recognizable nail polish bottles, because they have a way smaller, like, how do you say that, handle, I'd say, or cap. But there are a ton of different ones, and I didn't even pick all of them, because usually I'm like, just pick one of every single item that's on that shelf. But I actually really took my time and took a good look at these to see what it was. Of course, most of it on the back is in German, but we've had German in middle school for like a couple of years, or at least I did. So I can read German pretty good. I can pretty much understand German pretty good as well. But talking like, hey, I'm actually turning 30 in a week. I really can't remember much of like the grammatical stuff and rules and everything, so I don't want to slaughter like the German language whenever I am in Germany. So I just decided to just reply in English to everyone, because, you know, I don't want to like offend anyone. But yeah, I can pretty much read it and understand it when other people talk it like to me in German. But yeah, you know, if you want any like explanation or anything like that on these specific polishes or bottles, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I will try to answer your questions and just reply to you. But I also got a really nice nail oil, by the way, and this one smells so nice. I still have to try it on my nails, but so far I pretty much love it. But yeah, the last polishes that I'm going to show you are also from the Trended Up brand, which is actually a really affordable brand of nail polishes and nail care and stuff like that at a DM drugstore. I didn't get all of the colors once again, usually I am, but I just wanted to pick some of the newer colors. They actually mark on their shelves whether or not polishes are new, like for their fall winter collection and stuff like that. So I just decided to grab some of the newer ones. Haven't tried them yet so far, but I really love the colors. They're quite pink, quite rosy. You know me, if you've been hanging out with me for a longer period of time, that I pretty much love colors like that. And once again, they were really inexpensive. Like, I love the fact that Germany is like just a tad less expensive than everything is here in the Netherlands. We actually went to like a big supermarket as well, and we got so many chocolates and candies and just a whole lot of like sweet goodies, and it is just so much less like expensive than it is here. It's like fun to go shopping in Germany, you know. But yeah, these were actually pretty much all the polishes that I got. So I got 54 bottles in total. Don't ask me what it was in total, like price wise, but yeah, it was quite a bit. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.